Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO Friday. Today I want to test the brand new Google camera on my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. As you can see, this is my Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Beautiful phone. Okay, first of all, let's install this together. Under this video, on the description, you will have the link to download this beautiful Aperture files. Okay, when you download, let me know when you download install. Okay, or let me show you how to install this right now. Get ready, let's do it together. Okay, as you can see, this is my beautiful phone, Samsung Galaxy Note 8 is here. Amazing phone, two beautiful 212 megapixel camera, crazy. I like it. I have installed Android 9 into. As you can see, it's working very well. No problem with this. Settings, about phone, software information, Windows A, Android 9P. Wonderful. Now, let's open this beautiful APK. Okay, click on my field. As you can see, I download and it's here. Here. Now, let's install this together. Okay, click on install and get ready. This is for Exynos. Okay, wow, APK not installed. Done. I don't know why it's not installed. Okay, there are old Google camera too. Let's install this before. Okay, wonderful. It's not here now. Let's do this again. Okay, let's install this again to see if it's working. Now click on install and what? Wonderful. Now is installed. Beautiful. Close all of this. Wonderful. As you can see, it's here. This is the brand new Google camera. Now let's open. Beautiful. Hello camera to take. Okay, click on hello. Hello again. Again. And wonderful. This is what I'm talking about. Click on OK and welcome. This is the brand new Google camera. This is a brand new Google camera for you. Now you have this. Look at that. This is what I'm talking about. Here you can do what you want. You can close, open, and you have the aperture here. If there are aperture on your beautiful camera, okay, if this feature is here, you will see this. I will test these features on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and it's working. But on the Samsung Galaxy Note 8, there are not this aperture. Okay? When you click here on this aperture 2.4, you have 1.5. I can see nothing changed really on this beautiful camera. Okay, you can also test this. Okay, let me turn 1.2, 2.4, 1.2, 2.4, 1.2. Okay, go back. Crazy. Now you have zoom. Click on this thing to zoom. Okay, you can zoom with this. You can click here to zoom. Okay, can you see this? To zoom. Or you can also click on plus to zoom again and again. Minus, go back again. Crazy. As you can see, it's working very well. You are portrait, wow, panorama, wonderful. You have camera, video, and it's working very well. No problem with this. You are also more night mode. Click on night mode. Look at, oh, it's blocked. Let's open again. Click on more again. Let's see if night mode more working here, because there are not night mode feature on this phone. Okay, only on the Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Note 9, and another phone. Okay, from Samsung, another new phone from Samsung. Now click on night mode here to see if it's working. What? Really? Now night mode appear in front of you. How is possible? Okay, let's move. This is the fruit. Amazing fruit for you. Now let's test this beautiful feature directly. Okay, let's test this together. You can click here. Okay, let's see. Can you see this? We'll try again. Look at that. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's take this together. 1 2 3 4. Let's hold still. Don't move, bro, don't move. Maybe I have moved. Look at, it's blocked. Why? I don't know why. Look at that. Okay, let's try again. Look at here. There is something special here. What is this? What? You can move. You can move. Can you see this? Okay. Now, let's try again. 1 2 3 4 5. Let's do it. Hold still. Okay, let's see. Look at that. I think that is not great. Look at processing HDR plus. You need to wait again. Wait just a minute for finishing. I think I can see the look at this is a process, and now it's done. Look at, crazy, wonderful, not bad. What do you think, bro? This is a night mode. Oh, there are more detail here. Look at that. I like it. Not bad. Go back. Close. Open again. And what? Wonderful. More. You have so many features. Slow motion, photo buff, and click on settings. On settings, look at what you have. You have all of this. You can move. The exposure, composition here. You can do what you want. Photo, you have back camera 12.2 megapixel, front camera 8 megapixel, which is good. Video, on video you have this wonderful, this is the bit rate. Okay, this is for 60 fps, this is for 30 fps. Now go back. You have also this back camera video resolution. Look at Phone camera video resolution. Look at that. Okay, you can save your settings here and enable what you want here or disable. For example, save location. Thank you. You have also grade. You can choose grade. You can enable advanced. You have some beautiful features here for advanced and wonderful, beautiful. What do you think about this? I think that is not bad. Okay, there are some. This is metering mode. Okay, you can choose what you want, center, wide, and what you want here to test. Okay, wonderful. Okay, exposure compensation. You can choose also what you want here. You can increase or decrease or adjust. Okay, thank you. Now this is your camera. Portrait mode. You have this. Look at that. Crazy. Click on this. Let's see. Look at this picture. It's not good. It's not beautiful. Let me increase this aperture for 2.4. Okay, 2.4, as you can see, is blocked. No movement. Let's do this. Let's actualize this application. And what? Actualization. Wonderful. 2.4 aperture. Okay, we have 2.4 aperture now here. Let's click on portrait mode and take another photo. Okay, let's activate what? Camera. What are you doing? Do this. Okay, let's take a photo quickly and let's see. This is my picture. You need also to wait for finish of process. Beautiful. I think that they are HDR into. Okay, go back. You have here HDR on. Click on off. HDR on. Click on off now. And let's move. Wait to see. Okay, let's look at. This is a problem. Look at HDR off. Look at what you obtain. Okay, HDR on. Now it's working. Okay. Active flash. Flash here. Activate. Okay. Activate flash. Now let's see if it's working. Okay, 1, 2, 3. What? I see nothing. It's blocking. As you can see, this application not working very well. Not working very well on my phone, bro. It's not working very well. Okay. I think that this is not perfect for me. You can test this on your phone and say to me what you think about it. I think that is not perfect. Come here. You have. Okay, flash on now. Okay, now let's take a photo. Okay, now flash working. Look at here. Flash. Alright, look at that. It's blocked. As you can see, it's not perfect for me. It's not working very well. Wow. What is this? Wow. Okay, you need to move, actualize. What wrong with you? Look at fat. Flash on. Let's take again picture. Let's see. Processing HDR plus. And wonderful, this is HDR plus. We are HDR plus into. This is why this image is like that. Okay. What do you think, bro? Say to me what you think about this under this video. And I see you later for the next video on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.